Assalamu alaikum, dear parents. I hope you're all fine, safe, and healthy wherever you are. So, welcome to the third session of the second week. We have four things in the agenda today. Two things are tracing and coloring again from the tracing workbook. And we also have a rhyme, Machli Jal Ki Rani Hai, which we have done before. And the fourth thing is a fruit craft. We will start with the tracing workbook, and the page number we are going to do today are page number 12 and 13. So we are going to start with writing down the date and classwork on page number 12 and 13 both. So we have slanted line here. I have told you about these lines in the previous videos. These lines are very easy to trace. One thing that I told you in the last video was make sure that whenever your child is about to start tracing a line, there is always a dot. So a dot which is usually bigger than the other dots too. This is actually the initiating point or the starting point for any kind of tracing, whether it's Urdu tracing, whether it's number, or whether it's English letters. So you have to start from this dot and go upwards. Slowly, slowly, slowly. No need to rush. You can also use colors in it. Yes, you can also use different colors for these slanted lines. And on page number 13, again, we are going to write the date and we are going to write class. Trace the lines and color the picture. So we have a lovely cloud here and it is raining. As it's raining today, so I hope it's gonna help you a lot with that. Make them look outside the window, outside the door, and give them an idea of what are they going to do. So what you can do is you can, instead of using a pencil, you can fill it up with blue color if you want to, or gray color. Usually clouds are gray, the clouds which bring the rain. Or what you can do is you can take some cotton, apply some glue here, and then what you will have to do is to put some cotton here to make it look like a cloud, and now give them here blue color for tracing, because water is usually the concept of water which is given to the students or kids is water is blue. So make them trace the slanted line with the blue color, nice and slow. So you can also give them rainbow colors, different colors, like it's a colorful rain. They are going to enjoy the colorful rain, I hope so. So you can take the blue, the greens, purple, yellow, orange, red, sorry. So this is how they're going to do it, and I hope they will enjoy it a lot. A colorful rain, of course, or they can also fill up the cloud in the same way I've told you about the rainbow tracing. So they can fill it up with different colors if they want to use all the rainbow colors, or they don't specifically have to be rainbow colors, but they can use any color they want. So one more thing that we have to do today is the science craft, because we were doing the question about the recognition of fruits. So I'm going to do a craft with the fruit. So what I have here is I have a picture. I've outlined an apple. If you have a printer, you can print it out, or you can just draw an apple yourself as it suits you. The next thing that I have is I have these I have cut these papers into small pieces. These are rectangular, red and rectangular, greens and brown. So basically I was out of colored papers, so what I did was I took a white page and I colored it. I colored the both sides with red color, with a pencil color. You can use marker colors if you have watercolors, or you can use watercolors here, or crayons here, and cut it into the color you want, if you're not having any of those colors right now, because I know the conditions outside and we are unable to go outside. I couldn't find them outside, so this is what I've done. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you're not having any colors with you, any colored pages with you, these things can also help. Okay, so what you really have to do in this craft is you need glue and ask your kid what does he think it is. And I hope by now your child is able to tell that this is an apple. So what are we gonna do here? Basically give them the glue and tell him to apply it, and trust me, kids love applying glue. You can also hold his hand and help him out, but let him do it. Let your kid do it. Unless you make them dependent, they won't be, sorry, independent. They won't be independent. They won't be able to do these things on their own. Just give them, let them try, let them play with the things, because they are always very curious about things. So when they try to do something which is good, let them do it. So once he's done with this, now you're going to do the first one for him. Just paste the red color pieces randomly. Now let your kid, give it to your kid and help him to paste them. Just make sure that he's pasting it. So he must be putting pressure on these. Kind of a bit of force here. So random pasting on the apple. Okay, once he's done with this, so I also have it for, I'm gonna use all of these and it's gonna take a while. So this is what it's going to look like. So, and make sure that they paste it within the boundaries. And I also have these green ones for the leaf, because leaves are green. And again, he must paste these randomly here. Just to fill up the gaps. So he has colored his leaves, and now for this tiny part I have a brown strip. You can apply glue directly to it, but your kid must apply glue here first and then paste it. And there you go. This is very easy and I hope you can do it at home. What you can do is you can cut it, and you can cut this apple and you can take ice cream sticks and make an ice cream or a craft with like pasting it on the ice cream. Help him to paste it on the ice cream stick, to tell him it's his apple ice cream. He can eat his apple ice cream, so he's going to love it. So that's it for the craft. And the fourth thing was the rhyme Machli Jal Ki Rani Hai, which we have I've uploaded already. The link is there. You can repeat it, because we don't do many rhymes. We do 2 rhymes for English and 2 rhymes for Urdu every month. So we will have to continue with this, and you can also go to the Amazon Audible books and go there and make your child listen to the rhymes, sing along with him, make him enjoy his time, and I hope you'll enjoy your time too. Stay safe wherever you are, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video session. Allah Hafiz.